Karis, come here. You are so talkative. You want to show everybody how you walk around? That's right. Oh yeah, you got the pillow. Come here. You're going to eat the pillow? Mommy wanted you to show everyone how you walk around. Here, maybe if Mommy puts something over here, you're going to get it. Here, Mama will put a shirt there. Maybe you'll come get the shirt. No. Okay, then Mommy will put a dress there. Will you come get the dress? Oh, no. Oh, yes. There. Now everyone can see how you walk around. Yes. Come here. What is that? Oh, it's so interesting. Jose. Hi. Did you show everybody you can walk? You did. See? You walk holding the couch. Oh, you got the dress. You got it. And you fold it down on the floor. You got it. Oh, now you got that.